Hi YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. I did try and put the Ingersoll lock on camera, but it's been terribly camera shy. I'm having a right hell time trying to pick it again. So tomorrow I will carry on with the Ingersoll lock, this one here. But I thought I'd end the night with a good old challenge lock. I did pick this earlier, I haven't gutted it, and I haven't looked at the key yet. It's pinned up by William Mancel. Either on the 2nd of the 1st of this year or the 1st of the 2nd. I don't know if he's American or not. Sometimes they do the month first or the day first. But nonetheless, the lock was sent to us by Leon's Lockpad. If you haven't already been there, please do so. Cracking channel. It's a Schlegg keyway. It's got the name of the lock engraved in it. It's called Oddity and it's number 2. A lot of weirdness here. Like I said, I did pick it earlier. But however, I didn't reveal the key. So, we'll put the key to one side again. And let's see if we can get the lock picked on camera. It does give a wicked false set. Let me just zoom in a bit. See if I can get a better angle for you without touching the camera. Hopefully you can see that. Let's just get a bit lower. Puppy. That'll be a nice angle so long as my fat fingers didn't get in the way. Right, so I'll try number 1 first. 2, 3, 4. Right at the back. 5, nothing. Right, I'm going to increase the tension. I think we found out the first one is the one to be picked first. Yeah, slight little bit of a false set. 2 offers a deeper false set. 3 went down a little bit, but nothing to cry about. 4 is given all of the lock the reset action. So we'll start at the beginning, drop into our false set. Number 1's the gatekeeper. Number 2 is the second gatekeeper. 3's just went. 4. Not getting anything off 4. Come out of our false set, so we'll go back to the front. See if they are back into it. Back to 4. On to 5. On to 6. Which is where it drops into a silly false set. On to 5. 3. Back into our false set. 3 went. And we have an open lock. Right. Let's put that to one side. Get the pin and mat out. Find my little pin and drill. Get the hook set out. Now for the interesting bit. See what's inside. Let's see what the key looks like first. Lovely lock that to pick though. And a stupid false set that was. So I don't know if there's going to be a T-pin there or a very deep spool pin. Maybe he's bored the inside of it out. I'm not sure. But I'm going to lock this because I have got the key. Should I lock or should I not? Yeah. Let's have it that way. I really do need to get a shim. Some shims because sod's law one time or another I'm going to end up... Oh, that was a little bit naughty. One day I am going to break one of these locks. I'm going to be ever so annoyed. I think I might have done now. I'll lock it back up just to be safe. What have I done? Please don't say I've broke the lock. Yeah. So that was the bitten. Works with the key. Just get a little bit sticky, but nothing to cry about. I think I might have a follower for that. And a push. This might get messy actually, but I haven't got any shims. Put that to one side. Right. Let's have a look then. Number 6 is a serrated key-pin. 5 is, is it going to focus? Sort of like a serrated key-pin again. 4 is another serrated key-pin. 3 is another, it's more like a torpedo pin, that one is. 2 is a serrated key pin. And 1 is standard, which was the gatekeeper. So, in here, you've got the good old filing of the number 3 and 4. Number 3 and 5. Number 4 is undercut. Number 1's normal. Number 2 is undercut. And the last one is normal, I believe. Oh no, it's got threading. There's a little bit of threading in there. Brilliant. Let's see what the key pins are like. Not the key pins, sorry, the bloody driver pins. So my battery's just going dead on my phone, so there's 1 second, so the lights can come back on. Oh well, we've lost the light, which is sod's law. Never mind, we shall carry on. Driver 6 is a mushroom pin. Followed by a T-pin. I see I knew there was a T-pin in there somewhere. I think that's what gives us the wicked false set. That there looks like a chess piece, a pawn. Number 4. Not much tension behind them two there. There's a spool pin followed by a bead from a blind, I believe. Last but not least, following down there is a very deep serrated pin. As for the springs, let's have a deeks. We have steel, sort of like a half spring. Copper or a brass spring, steel spring, and a very large, quite strong spring as well. That's steel. For a bit of a close up for you, we have that being the key. Nice bitten. That's the key pins. Absolutely gorgeous pins they are. Now looking at them as close as I am there through the camera. Lovely, lovely, lovely pins. We've got some serrated key pins, torpedo, serrated, standard. a very deep serrated pin. We've got a blind puller, or maybe it's a little keyring, maybe it's off a little keyring, tiny spool, a pawn, a T-pin, and either, well, you could call it a mushroom or a torpedo maybe. So I don't know. It's got a little serration in the end as well, but awesome look that is. I really enjoyed picking that one. Thanks Leon for sending us it. Great job William Mancel for pinning it. Awesome job, awesome look. Really enjoyed it. If you like these videos and you'd like to see more, please comment, subscribe, and if you really like it, you can share it if you like. Be greatly appreciated. I am getting close to 300 subscribers, so I am going to be doing a bit of a giveaway close to the time, so I'll be posting that over the course of the next week and a half or so, just to give us the extra nudge, because I'd really like to hit 300, and then I'd really like to hit 400. You know how it goes. It's nice to see your YouTube channel growing and new subscribers subscribing to you. You're doing something right when that starts to happen. So yeah, thanks for watching everybody. I hope to see you all very soon in the up and coming videos. Bye for now.